I'm sure at this moment your social media is flooding with reels, reviews and reactions on the super hit Netflix series Adolescence. The series took the world by storm for its single-shot cinematography, brilliant casting and specifically its spot-on references on the toxic subcultures of the internet. Now if you had watched the series like many others, here's another reel decoding these internet subcultures. But if you have not watched it yet, spoiler alert. Adolescence explores the manosphere culture, heavily influenced by Andrew Tate, a British-American TikTok personality known for his misogynistic views, like claiming women belong to men and that women are responsible for rape. Andrew Tate and many others like him are idealized in manosphere, an online community where men discuss masculinity, gender roles, and various other harmful ideologies. These influential communities talk about male dominance, resentment towards women, and ultimately lead to severe consequences like shown in the Adolescence series. In the series, we see that Jamie is bullied online with the term incel. But what does that really mean? Incel stands for involuntary celibate, used by men who feel they can't attract women. Now this incel culture is a core part of manosphere where men channel their anger outwards, blaming women and the society for their isolation. The series highlights how Jamie, vulnerable and searching for validation, dives into these incel spaces, spiraling into a cycle of anger and rejection that ultimately leads to violence and his tragic actions. In the series, we see young boys influenced by the 80-20 theory and the red pill theory. The 80-20 theory is a core theory of the manosphere which says that 80% women are attracted only to 20% men. This theory distorts the gender dynamics for men and especially young minds who follow it blindly and makes them feel hopeless about relationships. The red pill theory, on the other hand, comes from the movie The Matrix, where the protagonist chooses between a red pill and a blue pill. In the manosphere, taking the red pill means rejecting societal norms and embracing a worldwide view with hyper-masculinity where only men are entitled to dominance. Ultimately, beyond just being a gripping, entertaining series, Adolescence sparks a conversation on how these young boys are influenced by these toxic subcultures of the internet. Around the world, it has certainly made an impact, making us rethink how we raise our boys. So that is what makes this series a must-watch for all the parents around the world. Let us know what you think about this super hit series in the comment section.